Hello and welcome back, or if this is your first time tuning in, then welcome to 60 Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. Now, today's episode is all about speed, and by that I mean how fast your internet output is. Now, knowing this is critical for a couple reasons. The first being, you want to make sure that your current internet speed is matching that of what your provider is advertising. The second is that internet speed better determines the extent of your online capabilities, such as streaming, playing games, browsing the internet, and more. So, if this sounds like something that can benefit you, then let's start the clock and get started. To begin, it is critical to understand how internet speed is measured. As you will soon discover, your internet speed may be both fast and slow depending on how you are using it. Internet speed is measured in megabits per second and essentially is the measure of time it takes for information to pass between networks. Moreover, this passing of information is categorized as download and upload speeds. When we access the internet, our computer actively downloads network data, thus allowing us to browse and engage with multiple websites. But when sending information from a computer to the internet, such as this video, this is considered upload data. To determine your internet speeds or that of another, first connect to the internet that you wish to measure. Then, using an online speed checker of your choice, in this case, I will use Google's free software. Regardless of which site you use, simply select the option to begin the speed test. Now the program will begin to generate results for both upload and download speeds. Google software also informs me of various types of online engagements that I can perform with this particular set of speeds. Thank you so much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate your time and concern for wanting to learn more about the technology around you. As always, my name is Dalton, and until next time, I'll see you later.